Our next speaker has flown to Edmonton from Charleston, South Carolina, and I have to say at least it's sunny here today. Pat Patrick is the Chief Operating Officer of Darkness to Light, located in Charleston, South Carolina. Darkness to Light raises awareness of the prevalence and consequences of child sexual abuse by educating adults about the steps they can take to prevent, recognize, and react responsibly to the reality of child sexual abuse. They pioneered the Stewards of Children training program, which we are proud in Canada through Little Warriors to be offering, which is recognized and taught worldwide. Pat is here to tell us more about the Stewards of Children training program. Welcome, Pat.
Greetings, and I have to say warm greetings from the U.S. and the Deep South. Charleston, South Carolina, the home of Darkness to Light. We at Darkness to Light are proud to partner with Little Warriors and to support their courageous efforts in sharing our mission of diminishing the incident and impact of child sexual abuse so that more children will grow up healthy and whole. Together, our programs will increase public awareness of the prevalence and consequences in both the United States and Canada, while educating adults in steps they can take to prevent, recognize, and react responsibly to this unfortunate reality in our societies. When we first met Glory, we had no doubt that she had the tenacity, the passion, and the support to create a meaningful, powerful, and comprehensive prevention movement to better protect children. The creation of Little Warriors will provide an excellent opportunity to implement both a top-down approach through the creation and utilization of media while coordinating a bottom-up grassroots educational component, developing a network of stewards facilitators to deliver the prevention message. Darkness to Light, in part, is an outgrowth of a tragic event that occurred in Charleston, South Carolina, about 7 years ago, when the community was stunned to learn that a teacher at a very prominent, well-known private school had been sexually molesting children for years. The subsequent trial and aftermath was truly devastating to all involved. This incident led to a group of survivors of child sexual abuse coming together as part of their healing process on an annual basis. During the initial conferences, one of the speakers was Marilyn Vandenberg. As many of you may know, she is a former Miss America who came out about her abuse many years ago. She challenged this group to take action in preventing this travesty from happening to other children. Accepting this challenge, this group, led by Ann Lee, our founder, quickly learned that most programs targeted children to recognize and resist sexual abuse rather than placing responsibility squarely on the shoulders of adults. This commitment to focus prevention efforts on adults led to the creation of an international nonprofit, Darkness to Light, and an array of prevention programs that are now available. The Stewards of Children program, developed in 2004, is a revolutionary, evidence-based primary and secondary prevention program that empowers adults to take action in the protection of children. The 7 steps to protecting our children, which is the core curriculum, teaches adults skills around learning the facts, understand the risk, minimizing opportunities so that children will be less likely to be abused, learn how to talk about it with other adults and with kids, stay alert, looking for the signs when children have been abused, how to make a plan, how to act on suspicions, and how to get involved. Rigorous third-party clinical trials continue to provide evidence that the impact of stewards is significant in raising awareness, changing attitudes, and implementing specific behaviors for adults that they begin to implement in the protection of children, thereby reducing their risk of victimization. The central principles, tools, use of survivors telling their story, and experts have created a powerful and empowering prevention program that is now in use in several countries and numerous organizations. We currently have nearly 1,000 facilitators implementing stewards in Antigua, Australia, the Cayman Islands, Iceland, India, Peru, and Spain. The organizations that have those facilitators include education, foster care, child welfare, juvenile justice, law enforcement, child advocacy centers, sexual trauma centers, youth sports, mentoring and scouting programs, to name a few. We recognize that a community's health is interdependent with the personal power of its individuals, and that there is no collective growth without persons who are willing to stand out and take risk. We applaud the efforts of Little Warriors in taking courageous action and risk to address this issue of child sexual abuse head-on, and know firsthand that the outcome will be the better protection of Canadian children.
Thank you, Pat. And I have to say, I am a facilitator, and I know a number of the board members are and we're very excited about delivering this program.